Hey, we're at a new construction and I'm looking at the rough end plumbing. I got a few things I want to share with you. And this is the hall bathroom. As you can see, that fixture is starting to corrode. So whatever they used, because there's no water on this system, this was just an air test on this thing for right now. Whatever they used to check for their leaks was corrosive. It wasn't soap and water as you would normally use. And then when you get in here, the spout doesn't even line up, so it's going to be crooked, and the fixture's going to be crooked, as you can see. So that's just poor craftsmanship when they installed that. And when we get up here, the tub is off, so you can see how the bubble is like a quarter out. And then when I line it up, you're talking about 1/4 to 1/2 inch that it's off. So let's go into the kitchen, check this area out. On the kitchen, this is the valve for your ice maker for the refrigerator. As you can see, it's really corroded too. So they must have used some kind of corrosive when they checked the air test on this. Plus they didn't fasten it on this end of the box, so it's loose. So now it's going to the master. As you can see, that fixture's corroded too. So my concern is, I think that these fixtures need to be replaced, because we don't want this thing to start leaking a year or two down the road and end up having a small little leak and rot the floor out. Plus, you normally would use, you know, a metal flashing with fire caulk and not fill it with foam like that right there. So it's kind of sloppy. Let's go in the laundry room now. This is your washing machine valves here. You can see how corroded those are too. So this is a new construction, so when you put sheetrock in here and paint it, everything's gonna look like brand new except for these fixtures. So we're gonna have a different plumber come in here, evaluate everything, see what he thinks, and if we gotta replace the valves, that's what we'll do. And then we'll see what it looks like. Back at the new construction, looking at the rough end plumbing, and I want to show you. We're going to start with the hall bathroom like we did last time, and you can see they switched this fixture out and got rid of the one that was heavily corroded, and they made the proper adjustments to the fixture, valve, and the spout. Lines up a whole lot better than it did before, and they readjusted the tub so it's level now. So let's go to the kitchen. As you can see, they added some bracing to help support this box, and they replaced that valve for the ice maker for the refrigerator. So that looks good. Now we'll get to the master bathroom. And they replaced that valve, so it looks good. Now let's go to the laundry room. As you can see, it's been replaced too. So they took my recommendations to have these fixtures replaced just to be on the safe side, because with it corroding as fast as it did, there's a possibility after this house is completed it would start leaking, and a slow leak's worse than a fast leak. So thought I'd share it with you. Till next time, see you.